Good morning children, welcome to online class in your Sparrow semester book Sam 1 for UKG class. Now welcome to English class, English subject. In your English subject already we are finished revision ovals, consonant blinds, consonant digraph, oval digraph, a or an, opposites, one or many, is or are. What now let's begin today. What is this? Is this a yes or no? Page number 28 to 29 and page number 30 to 31. Okay children, today we have to learn about what is this and is this a yes or no. Open the page number 28. Page number 28 children, what is given here? What? How to you use? We use what? Then WHAT what? When we are using the what? Here is a given children. We use what to ask questions. When we are asking questions someone, we are using WHAT what? Okay children, here is a many examples as given in your page number 28. Let's read with me. Look at read aloud with me children. Here is a one ball is given. Then how to ask the question and using what in a question. Okay children, here is a given one question and answer also given. What is this? What is this? Answer is this is a ball. This is a ball. Okay, next. What is this? This is a book. Here is a book is given. So answer question is a what is this children? And answer is this is a book. Next, what is this? This is a car. This is a car. What is this? This is a key. Okay. What is this? This is a bird. Here is a bird picture is given. So we have given the answer. This is a bird. I am asking question for you children. Then picture 1 I saw the picture to you. Then you have to answer to me. See, let's one example is remains. What is this? This is a fish. Here is a fish picture is given. So we are you to give me the answer. This is a fish. Okay. Once again read with me aloud children. What is this? This is a ball. What is this? This is a book. What is this? This is a car. What is this? This is a key. What is this? This is a bird. What is this? This is a fish. Next page number 29. Here is a given. To your work, read the questions, look at the pictures and write their names to complete the answers. Okay children, here is a given questions. First you have to read the question. Read the questions, look at the pictures and look at the pictures. Pictures also given with the questions. Write their names, complete the answer. Here is a question given and answer only how to write the picture name. Okay, here using the what, how to use the what and given the answer. See here first one is what is this? This is a what is this children? This is a mug. Okay children, M-U-G mug. This is a you have to write the M-U-G mug. This is the mug. Okay, full stop. Next question. What is this? What is this children? This is the dog. This is the dog. This is a dog. Dog spelling children. D-O-G dog. Full stop. Okay. What is this children? What is this? This is a cap. You have to already you know cap spelling. This is a cap. C-A-P cap. Full stop. Okay. Next. What is this? What is this children? This is a pen. This is a pen. P-E-N pen. Full stop. What is this children? This is a rose. This is a rose. rose. Rose spelling children, R-O-S-E, rose, full stop. What is this children? What is this? This is a chair. This is a chair. Chair spelling C-H-A-I-R. Okay children? Full stop. Read with me aloud once again children. This is the mug. This is the C-A-P, cap. This is the D-O-G, dog. P-E-N, pen. R-O-S-E, rose. And C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay, read with me aloud children. What is this? This is a mug. M-U-G, mug. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a cap. C-A-P, cap. D-O-G, dog. What is this? This is a pen. P-E-N, pen. What is this? This is a rose. R-O-S-E, rose. What is this? This is a chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay children, please write the all answer. Help of your parents and read the spelling also. By the spelling. M-U-G, mug. D-O-G, dog. C-A-P, cap. P-N, pen. R-O-S-E, rose. C-H-A-R, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay. Next children, page number. Turn the page number 30. Page number 30. Here is a given S or no. S, Y, E, S. S, N-O, no. Here is also asking the questions. Given picture and asking the question. You have to give the answer yes or no only. Okay. Give an example here. This is a dog. This is a dog. You have to look at the picture. This is the dog, children. Yes or no. You are given answer only yes or no. Yes. This is the dog. Here is a given example. Yes. Yeah, this is a dog. Next one. This is a book. This is a book. Here is a picture given. This is a book picture. No. This is a bell picture. So, you have to give the answer. No. This is the bell. Okay. Next. This is a cat. This is a cat. No. This is the car. Car picture is there. So, you have to give the answer. No. 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 This is a car. This is a bee. This is a bee. Yes, this is a bee picture. So, you have to give the answer yes. This is the bee. Next, this is a bag. Here, look at the picture, children. This is a bag picture. Okay, you have to give the answer yes. This is the bag. Okay, here is the next example. This is a pen. Here is a picture given. Pen picture is there. No, this is the kite picture is there. So, how to give the answer? No, no, no. No, this is the kite. Okay. Read with me again, children, loudly. This is a dog. Yes, this is the dog. You have to only give the answer yes or no. This is a book. This is a book. No, this is a bell. This is a cat. No, this is a car. Here is a given cat. But picture is what they see here, children. Car picture. You have to write the here car answer. No and car. Here is a cat given, but picture is a car picture is there. You have to write the no. This is a car. This is a bee. Yes, this is a bee. This is a bag. Yes, this is the bag. Is this a pen? No, this is a kite. Here is a kite picture. You have to write the no. But no, this is not pen. But you have to write the kite. No, this is a kite. Okay, page number 31, children. Here is a look at the pictures. Write yes or no in the blanks to complete the answer. Okay, read with the heading. Look at the picture. Here is a picture given, children. Write yes or no in the blanks. Only how to write the answer yes or no. Blank to complete the answer. First one is what given, children? This is a fish. This is a fish. Yes, this is also fish. You have to write the yes. Only write yes or no. Yes, this is a fish. Okay, always you have to write first letter is capital. Next picture. This is a car. This is a car. No, this is what? Bus. Okay, you have to write N-O. No, this is a bus. Next. This is a horse. This is a horse. No, this is a kangaroo. So, you have to write no. N-O. No. Next. This is a bicycle. Yes, this is a bicycle. Yes, you have to write Y-E-S-S. This is a bicycle. Next one. This is a ball. This is a ball. Yes, this is a ball. Right? Spelling Y-E-S. Yes, this is a ball. Okay, children. Right, complete the all page number 28, 29, 30 and 31st. Please help up your parents. Thank you, children.